The reason I came to the decision to do stem cell was because I took a couple of falls. However, I'd been having pain for a long time in my right knee, but the 2 falls and a trip to Texas last summer and it just did me in. I had to take a wheelchair. And so I get here and I go to the doctor and they play around with it with cortisone. Didn't work, so okay, you need knee surgery. You have quote unquote bone on bone. So I go and have a consultation with him and he said, yeah, you definitely need knee surgery. So I went online, did a little research, and then I was invited to a seminar here. I was scheduled for surgery, but I came to this anyway, and I thought, this just sounds too good to be true. So I had a consultation with Dr. Lai, and I brought my son along. I said, I want to do this. And he said, Mom, I think you should do it too. I said, okay, I'll do it next week. And they said, well, we have an opening tomorrow. And he said, Mom, you made up your mind, do it. So I did it. Met Dr. Lai, had a consult. Oh, it was just wonderful. And so I went ahead and did it. And I was very, very blessed because I got immediate relief. I don't limp. I don't gimp. I don't need a wheelchair. I felt very, very comfortable. I felt that he cared about me. It wasn't wham bam, thank you ma'am. You know, he talked to me and told me what he was going to do, how he was going to do it, showed me pictures. Can't wait to get the other one done.
Great.
Seriously,
Yeah.
it's and you know, I could go on and on. It has changed my entire demeanor. My kid said, Mom, what is it? I said, well, I can sleep at night. I said, I carry my pain in my face. And I said, I don't have any pain anymore. Of course I smile more. Of course I'm happier. It's just like a whole new lease on life.